Good morning to all the students of class 3. Today I will be explaining you science chapter 12, food for a healthy body. So all of you open your book, go to page number 63. In this chapter we will learn about the different types of food which we need for our healthy lifestyle. So let us start the chapter. See the very first green box. What it is written inside it. Food nutrients can be divided into three groups. Food nutrients can be divided into three groups. Some gives us energy, some protect us from diseases, and some help us to grow. These are the three groups. Alright, so let's start. The three basic needs of man are food, shelter, and clothing. We all need food to live and grow. Food gives us strength and energy. We should eat all kinds of food. These help us in a number of ways. So the basic need of food for a man and basic needs for each and every person is food, shelter and clothing. We need food to live, to grow and to get some energy and strength to do our day-to-day daily basis works. We should eat all kinds of food. These help us in a number of ways. Different foods have different food values or nutrients. Food nutrients can be divided into three groups. Some gives us energy, some protects us from diseases and some help us to grow. Energy giving foods are all the above given picture of the vegetables and milk products and fruits. All these foods items gives us energy. We need energy when we work or play. Foods like butter, ghee and oil also provide us energy. They are needed by the body in small quantities. Too much of this food, however, become difficult to digest. So these food are also called energy giving food. Food for health. These foods protect us from diseases. They keep us fit and healthy. They also help us to grow. Food for health help us to keep our body fit and to recover or fight against diseases in order to keep ourselves fit, and they also help us to grow. They repair and wear the tear of the body. These food also help us to repair our body. If we have got injured and we have got some cut or any other kind of problem is there, it helps us to recover from that problem. Food for growth. All the above food items help in bodybuilding. They are good for bones, blood and teeth. They help us to grow. See, milk and milk products and fish, chicken, egg, meat, all these are very good for our growth. They are protein rich food. Okay, they help us to grow and to keep our body fit and healthy. They take care of the wear and tear in our body. If we have got any kind of cuts or any wound, it helps us to recover from that. These kinds of food. They help regain strength. These food also help us to regain strength. Milk is called a complete food. It gives us energy. All of you underline it. Milk gives us energy. It helps us to grow and protect us from diseases. Hard, crisp food like apples and pears clean and strengthen the teeth and gums. So we must eat apple and pear by chewing them directly, the whole fruit, and not by cutting it into small pieces. It will help us to make our teeth and gums strong. Fruits like mangoes and papaya, green leafy vegetables and carrots contain fibers which help in throwing out the solid waste from the body. Food items can either be cooked or can be eaten raw. Why do we cook food? Certain food like rice, wheat, fish and meat cannot be eaten raw. Cooking makes food soft and tasty. Cooking kills the germs also inside the food. Cooked food is much more easy to digest. We can eat certain food raw. Most of the fruits are eaten raw. Cucumber, tomato, lettuce are eaten raw as salad. Vegetable salads and fruit salads are also good for health. Salt, sugar are essential as other foods item in our body. We need them for our daily physical activities. Salt and sugar make food tasty. Water is very important for our body. It helps in digestion and removal of waste substances from our body. We must drink sufficient quantity of water during the course of a day. How can we take care of our food? Fruits and vegetables should always be washed before cutting or eating. Fruits and salads are best eaten when freshly cut. Food should be covered all the times to protect it from dust and flies. Food should not be overcooked. Washing fruits and vegetables in salt water is very good. So these are the points that we should remember while we are eating any kind of food in order to keep our body healthy and fit and easy to digest also. So I hope all of you have understood the chapter. In order to understand it better, you will have to read the chapter at least twice after listening to the explanation. Thank you, class.